All right, just want to be real quick about this and go through the software application and show you guys what I'm working with here. So we have a map that you can kind of drag and drop items onto, and you can resize them. And so these would be like units or parking spaces or office spaces, and you kind of drag these around and they snap into place. And then you can right click and we can edit this live on the map. So we can say this is like, B12, 10 by 10 B12. We can change the price if you want to set a monthly price for this unit as like $10. And you can also quickly type in some notes like, clean, good to go, that sort of thing. And then you can also assign customers to this unit, and you can also see the information there. As you can see, there's some color coding. So this would kind of be where you get a snapshot of how the facility is, and what's assigned, what's not assigned, who's late, who's up to date, that sort of thing. But other things on the site, so we have like a dashboard. You just get like a snapshot of information, customers, units, that sort of thing. Nothing fancy. There's a task system. So you can create different tasks with different severities. So we can say maybe we need to clean B12, and that priority, let's make it a medium priority. So we can create that task. We can see here right at the top that's been added with the data today. Severity is medium. We can click the check mark and cross it out. And we can also change the severity right here quickly, that sort of thing. Continuing on, so customers. So here's just all the customers in the system. Table, nothing fancy here. Who's been created? You can sort all of this. You can search this. All the fun stuff. We have Storl. Storl is like an AI chatbot that I added. It's basically Chat GPT, flavor Chat GPT that I created, an assistant. But it has access to the back end, so I haven't added too much to it. But you can, just say hi to it real quick. What's up? But you can ask it things like, what's the email of customer Hallplex? Because I know that's a customer. And I'm just kind of demonstrating so it could pull up, the email address for that customer is support@hallplex.com. That sort of thing. So that's kind of cool. We can add more and get kind of crazy with that. You can assign units out. You can gather information. You can also create graphs. So if you want data plotted, you want give me a graph of all the customers and their creation times for the last week. It can get that and then create an output, like an image of that graph. Anyways, there's a report page. This is all dead information. There's nothing built into here yet, but any kind of reports, exports, CSVs, that kind of thing would be added here. And then we have a profile. And that's just a high overview of the application, what it does. So, you create a facility, you create customers, you assign customers to those objects, like you can see here, and then reoccurring invoices get sent to that customer and that sort of thing. And if I go to a customer page, you can see we can add payment methods. We can charge them, one-time purchases. We can add files under this customer. You can generate rental agreements, and you can generate lien forms on a per unit assigned. Stuff like that, invoices, that sort of thing. But yeah, that's just a quick overview. Wanted to put this together so I could share it around and give people kind of context of what I'm building.